Thaddeus, also called Jude, was one of the 12 apostles. Though often overlooked, his courage in Christ was unmatched. Thaddeus, son of James, traveled far to spread the gospel. With missions in Syria and Mesopotamia, he healed the sick, converted hearts, and boldly proclaimed Jesus Christ, even when faced with constant threats. Tradition holds that Thaddeus was martyred around AD 65. Local rulers, furious with his teachings and the many conversions, had him put to death with arrows and a club. Even facing brutal torture, Thaddeus refused to renounce his faith. His life and death became a powerful beacon of courage for the early church, proving that faith can triumph even in the face of intense persecution. Thaddeus' courage reminds us that standing for Jesus may cost everything, but it leaves an eternal legacy. Share this if you'll stand boldly for Jesus. And follow the Beatz Breaker for more stories of the apostles who gave their lives for the gospel.